Today I'm looking at an item that Goldblatt did send me and did compensate me to make a review on this awesome little scrubbing tool. There's two different ones I have in front of me here. They did send me both of them, and basically they're pretty much the same. The tool itself is the same. The difference is really the accessories. You got more accessories on the deluxe kit versus the basic kit. Now, it's a great deal. The pricing is fantastic, and it is an Amazon choice. That's what it is right now. So you get the basic one, or you can get the deluxe one, which I kind of like. Either one, they're really fantastic. So what's in each package? Basically, you get the actual controller itself, the actual scrubber. Right here, this is where the power is. You control the on-off switch. Has a battery indicator right here, so you know how much power is left. Has a USB-A to USB-C charger cable that comes in the kit. They both come with that as well. And also, this one does come with one brush, and it comes with the extension arm that you just push on. And basically, you just push this on. Let me just show you how this works. Take this here, you just pop it on, just like that, and that pops onto the arm, just like that. You can see that. Really clear. And then you just basically put it onto the arm itself, twist it, lock it, and that's how you basically use that. So they both do the exact same thing like that. That's how they both connect. The difference is that you get more accessories. You get more tools. And I think that's kind of cool. They give you all the extra tools. Again, same USB, the same charger, same exact connection. And I'm just going to go over some of this information and just go over some of the quick specs real quick. Let me just show you some of the brushes here. I like this one myself personally. You get more brush options here. There's some brushes here you can see. There's a couple brushes. Here's a larger brush here. Also, we have a nice corner brush here for grout lines and small pieces like to get into the corners, which I like that a lot. You can see that, how that works. And this one here has a hook and loop attachment to it, and they give you little scrubbers. And that's awesome. So if you want to do some scrubbing, some deep cleaning, you can do that as well with this here. These just snap right on. Let me show you that. Just like that. Little scrubber. Here's a little scrubbing pad. So if you want to get in it and just clean some of your shoes or something needs deep cleaning, they just slide on and off really easy. Fully charge the device before use. That's what they recommend for optimal cleaning and performance. Product power is 5 volts, 2 amp. That's the charging information. Okay, I'll show you where you charge it as well in 1 second. 3.7 volt, 10 watts. Okay, that's what it says here. Running time is approximately 90 minutes, but that does vary depending on how much you're working with it and stains and things like that. That's one of those things you got to kind of work with and figure out how long it's going to last you. But it should be more than enough time to clean things out, no problem. Again, charging time is 2 hours. Material is ABS, and the actual size is 22 millimeters by 113 millimeters by 45 millimeters. There's a port under here, so make sure this is closed when you're using it in water. That's how you get that waterproofing. You open this up, and this is the USB-C right on the bottom of the actual device. So that's where you plug it in. Make sure it's sealed. No problem. Turn on. It's just one button right there. Super easy. Turn it off just like that. So it's one button, one speed. Either one of these. The difference is mainly is the accessories. And it does have the indicator here. There you go. That's fully charged. So I'm going to take this into my bathroom real quick. We're just going to give it a quick test, and we're going to try some of the accessories, and we're going to wrap up this video real quick. Just want to do a quick demonstration and show you how this works. We're going to put on the small brush head. Again, just pops right on. Pop that in like that. Line that up. There we go. Get some water going, and there's a little cleaner I use, a little natural cleaner I have here. And let's just see how this performs. We're getting right inside the cracks and the corners here. And I always recommend doing that because that's really where all the dirt is. You can see there, going all around. And you can just use regular soap actually too if you want to. Actually working pretty well, performing very well actually. Get inside there, that works good. Let's try a different nozzle. Let's try a different one here. I like this one here because it's got that real pinpoint like I said before, so that'll really get into the grooves and little nooks and crannies. Make that wet. Let me get my cleaner here, and let's see how that works. See, it really gets in there really good. Look at that. Nice. You get in quick nooks and crannies all around, in the back. See, I like this for small things like this here. I love that. All right, that's good. It's working really well. That's holding up very well. No problem. Plenty of power, actually. Not bad. And here's that scouring. That little thing like that I was telling you about. Let's pop that on real quick, and let's make it wet. Let's put it in the sink and just see. We can clean the sink. Look at this. Oh, very nice. Cool. So you can just see how it really does a nice job. pretty powerful. Actually, not bad. You can see there's the brush, the head itself. You can clean it. Again, it's all waterproof, like I said. And let's see, I want to do one more thing. Here's a larger one. Let's just test the larger one. Just put it on here, and I put that on there, get it wet. And I'm just going to put some regular soap on here, just a regular just house, nothing's fancy. And I have my sneaker here. I want to see how it works on the sneaker. That's another thing that's good to clean. Okay. Yeah, it definitely is cleaning it. I'm just going to do one section, and we'll take a look at it. See, I think sneakers need to be cleaned. Okay, that's that. Let's see that. Let's rinse that clean real quick. And you can see that is pretty clean and that's dirty. So it did a nice job, got in the nooks and crannies, did a fantastic job. So this thing really works really, really well. Again, big job, small job, doesn't really matter. If you want something that's dirty, you need to clean it. I think this is a really good tool, honestly. I do like it a lot. Let it air dry and you are good to go. Really super easy, super fun, and Goldblatt, definitely recommend these for sure. They do exactly as they said. I mean, not super, super heavy duty, but I think for what they do a really good job. I mean, you can't clean your whole, I don't think you clean the whole shower with this, but you certainly can get some grout and some dirt, and like you see the sinks and you can see small parts and pieces like that. Really important to have something really portable and small and strong that you can actually clean. Really works well. So that's what I have for you guys. That's all I have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you do, please let me know. Appreciate that. As always, follow the channel for more. And if it brought you some value, please follow us for more videos. We do all types of reviews just like this here. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.